got a lot of different types of hardware. And so in this video we're going to make a set of really simple modular boxes that makes hardware easier to store, access and transport. And you might say to yourself, well, what's the point? Hardware already comes in really handy cardboard boxes. And although that's true, a lot of the pieces I've got have been given to me or I've collected from different people, and so they don't have the original box. And even if they did, I often find the size and shape of them varies massively between and even within brands. And so this is the box that I'm making. It's constructed out of 6mm MDF. It's 150mm deep, 75mm wide and 75mm tall, meaning it can stack and be placed next to each other. A sliding lid so that the contents are secure. You're also really easy to access, and there are also holes in the front so that one of the items inside can be displayed on the front. And so that's the concept, so now it's time to start making them. Drilling those two small holes was the last thing we actually had to do to the pieces, and so now we can glue them all up. We've got two sides, a lid and a bottom, front and back. Now the box is all completely glued up and sanded, we can begin filling them. You just need to get a particular type of hardware, and I can take one of them and attach it to the front. And to do this I'm just going to use a very thin bit of wire that gets wrapped around the screw and then twisted to secure it in place. And I can make a label for the front of the box too. So here we go. One finished box of 4mm by 40mm, posi number 2 headed screws. And I can repeat the process to also make a finished box of 4x35 plank headed screws, and a finished box with tacks and 1x20 brad nails, and a finished box with M8 nuts, and M10 nuts, and M6 nuts, and drywall anchors, and washers, and 5mm plugs, and U-tacks, and rivets, and insert nuts, and a finished box of small wire tacks. And I've still got a few boxes left to make and fill, and I've still got to make some shelves for these to fit on, so that I can access each box individually. But I can already tell that this is going to make a massive difference. Now whenever I've got a job, I can just walk up to the wall and pick the box I need, instead of having to search through drawers and cupboards to try and find the hardware. So I hope you found it useful, I hope you enjoyed watching, and look forward to seeing you on the next video.